Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your solar panel repair service business. So I'm an owner of a solar panel repair service business, and over here in my business, I receive a lot of inquiries by the customers on WhatsApp. Now replying to every single inquiry individually and manually is very time consuming and hectic. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now as I've created this bot, whenever I receive any of the inquiries as a message by the customer on WhatsApp, automatically this bot is going to send a reply to them. So now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create an interactive WhatsApp chatbot for a solar panel repair service business using Pabbly Chatflow. So over here, firstly, I'm going to show you how this bot that I've created is actually going to work in real time. I'm going to send a message to this bot with my WhatsApp number. So this is a bot that I've created, and towards this bot, let's suppose I'm going to send a message over here as, hey, I want to book a service. Okay, so I'm going to send this message to this bot, and automatically you're going to see this bot is going to reply to my message as, hello, welcome to Sunrayfx. This is the name of my business, and over here I've received multiple options. I'm going to request a service, so I'm going to select the option from here. Automatically this bot is going to reply to me with a message. I'm going to select expert number over here, and automatically you can see this bot is going to reply to each and every message of mine. Okay, so this is how this bot is going to work in real time according to our customer's point of view, and I'm going to show you in this video how you can build this bot step by step without any need of coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. Firstly, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. I'm going to browse the website, and then Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. After coming to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, there are two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, directly sign into your account, but if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. After that, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window is going to appear in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which I'm going to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. What is Pabbly Chatflow? It is an amazing tool that is provided by Pabbly that is going to effortlessly manage your WhatsApp conversations. So over here, to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, click on this Add WhatsApp button, and you have two options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn how you can set up your account for any of both of the methods, you can find the videos in the description box below. Pabbly Chatflow provides multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcasts, flows, AI assistant, settings, under which we have multiple options. So now if you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out the videos we have already attached in the description box below. Okay, in order to create a bot in our Pabbly Chatflow account, from the left side, go to flows section right over here. Then the flow builder page is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new flow button over here to create a new bot. Over here you can see the flow has been created, and firstly we're going to rename the flow, which is going to be WhatsApp chatbot for your solar panel repair service business. This is the name I want to give to my bot. After naming the bot, firstly it says flow start. How this bot that we are creating is going to be triggered, there are three ways: keywords, regex, and choose template. So let's suppose you have entered few keywords in the field. Any of the customers sends those keywords as a WhatsApp message, this flow is going to be triggered from here. Next is choose template. So let's suppose you have selected a template in this field, and after selecting the template, you have forwarded that template as a broadcast message to your customers, and then your customers replies towards those template over here, then this flow is going to be triggered from here. Next is regex, which is a short of regular impressions. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match, or filter specific text. I have a special character for regex right over here. So as soon as I'm going to enter that character right here, whenever I receive any of the messages by the customer, automatically this bot that I'm creating is going to be triggered. So for the regex, I'm going to write it as, so this is the special character. Okay, using this character, this regex, this flow is going to be triggered by any of the message that we receive from our customer to our bot. If you want to use this character in your regex field as well, you can find it in the description box below. After setting bar flow start, my first message to this bot should be a welcome message. With that welcome message, I want to provide number of options. For that, simply from this point, drag it and drop it. Content type is going to be text plus button. And for the first message over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is my message. Hello, welcome to Sunray Fix. This is the name of my business, your trusted partner in solar panel repair maintenance. And over here it is asking for me to choose an option below. For adding the options, I'm going to add a button in this message. I want to add 3 buttons, so I'm going to add all the 3 buttons right here. We need to name all the buttons right over here. So I'm going to name all my button over here as, so you can see I've added the 3 buttons: book repair, request service, and talk to expert. In a message, you can add only maximum number of 3 buttons. Okay. So now what message should be forwarded towards my customer if they select this button, that is book repair? I want to share all the services that we provide under book repair, and with that I want to add a button of talk to our expert. Okay. So I'm going to simply drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the message that I have for the book repair. At Sunfix Ray, we specialize in repairing all these things you can see right over here. Want to speak directly to our expert? Tap the button below. Over here, for speaking to an expert, I am going to add a button right over here, and I'm going to name the button as expert's number. Okay. As the customer is going to click on this button, they will receive the expert's mobile number and they can book the repair directly. Okay. So I'm going to drag the expert number button and drop it in this field. For the content type, I'm going to select it as text plus button, and for the message over here for the expert number, I'm going to write it as, so this is my expert's number right here. You can reach our solar repair expert at this number. Okay. You can feel free to call or WhatsApp for faster assistance. You can see right over here, I have shared the expert's number. So this message should be forwarded with this button, that is book a repair. Next is request service. So I'm going to drag this point and drop it in this field. Content type is going to text plus button, and for the message, I'm going to write it as, so this is the message I have for request service. Our solar maintenance service includes all these things you can see right over here. Want our experts contact to discuss? Tap the button below. I want to add the same button, so I'm going to copy it from here, add a button in this message and paste the name right over here. Okay. And for the expert's number, I'm going to give the same number, so I'm going to attach this button to this same message. Now I have this last button, that is talk to expert. So over here, I'm going to drag this point and drop it over here. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, so you can see right over here, this is the message. Have questions about your solar panel setup, repair or maintenance? Our solar expert is ready to assist you. Technical doubts, you can see all the doubts that this expert can clear. Tap the button to get in touch directly. So I'm going to enter the name of the button, this same number I want. So I'm going to copy this name of the button and paste it right over here, as I want to share the expert's number. And I'm going to connect both of these buttons and the same message right here. Firstly, I'm going to rearrange this entire flow. So you can see right over here, this is the entire flow that I have created for my solar panel repair service business. Okay. So I'm going to save this flow right over here. For that, click on the save button on the top right corner. The flow is automatically going to be saved. Now to test this flow, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a WhatsApp message to this bot from my number. So let's suppose over here for the message, I'm going to write it as, hey, I want to book a repair. So I'm going to send this message to this bot. Automatically, this bot has replied to me with a message. I'm going to choose this option, book repair, right over here. And this bot is auto replying to my messages. You can see right here. This means we have successfully created this flow using Pabbly Chatflow. And that's how you can also build a complete WhatsApp chatbot for your solar panel repair service business using Pabbly Chatflow. And the best part, you can try building your own chatbot right away, because Pabbly Chatflow gives you free 100 credits to get started. So go to Pabbly Chatflow and create your own WhatsApp chatbots for your business and customize it according to your needs. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.